Hello students, in this video we are going to study how to start or how to use or how to make an hyperlink in your particular web page. So many times you see a web page and in that you have several links. So whenever you click on the link, you are redirected to some new page. So if you want to connect one document with other document or one web page with another web page, then you use hyperlink. Okay. So basically hyperlink can be done with the help of a tag. So links are created with the help of a tag, and a tag is a container tag. You always require /a to end it. So let us see how you can use it. So href means which document you want to connect with. So that name you have to give in this href in the double inverted comma, and a message will be written here that click here for my page. So basically href is an attribute which we use in a tag, and this attribute is used to save the address of the file which has to be opened. Okay, so whenever you will click on that link, which file should be opened, that is saved in that file or that document's address or the URL is saved in href. Now hyperlink and its colors. Now many times you see that the link appears in purple color, the link appears in blue color. Okay, so default color of the hyperlink is blue color. Okay, and it is always in the state of underline. You always see that the link appears in a blue color and it has an underline below it. Then why when this thing is seen? Only when the user haven't visited that link yet. But if any user has visited the link, then the link will appear in purple color. The color of your link is going to change from blue to purple color. And the active link means if the link is active, then you can say that the link is in blue color and it has an underline below it. Okay, so let us do a small program of hyperlink in which we will connect two programs. Okay, so I'll write HTML tag, then is the head tag. After that we are going to write the title. So inside the title I will write hyperlink. This is the hyperlink program. So I've given the title as hyperlink, and then I'll be ending the head tag. Now I'll start with the body tag. Inside the body tag I'm going to use I'll just give an header that hyperlink program. Okay, so this is the header which I have given here, and I'll end my h1 tag here. Okay, so I'll break the line by using br tag. Now I'm going to use a hyperlink tag and I'll give the address href. Now if I want to connect here, I'm having so many HTML program on my desktop. Okay, so just I'll take an image program and I'll just go in the properties and I'll see the name of it. So it is image.html. Okay, so I'll just write the path of this program over there. Okay, so here I'll be writing as image.html. So this program I want to connect with my link, and what will appear over here? Click here for next page. Okay, for next page. And now I'll be ending my hyperlink tag. So this is the program. Only this much you have to write, and by this you can connect the two programs. Okay, /html. Now I'm going to save this program with the help of the name like hyperlink.html. So this will I'll be saving on desktop. Now you will see that whatever is the code whichever I have written in the image, that will be displayed by clicking on the link. So let us run the program now. So this is the hyperlink program. Let us see. So this is the header whatever I have written here. we have given a header, so that is hyperlink program, and this is the link. Okay, we have written here, click here for the next page, so that is displayed on the link. Now after clicking on the link, we are redirected to the program's output of image.html. So here you can see that we are being directed to the next page with the help of connecting the two web pages and its program. So this is how the output will be displayed, and this is how the two programs are being connected. You can see that we have saved one program with hyperlink.html, and we had saved the other program with image.html, and with the help of hyperlink, that is a tag, we have connected the two programs, and this is how the hyperlink works in HTML. So students, please perform this practical at your home, and try to give me the comments on these programs. We can modify it and do some changes also as per the requirement. So keep in mind, hyperlink is always used to connect the two web pages. You can just give the address or the path of one program in the href, and then the connectivity is done. Basically, the hyperlink appears in blue color and it has an underline below it if you have not visited, and when you visit the hyperlink, then the color changes into purple color. So this is what is hyperlink. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.